Rhodiola Rosea versus tea and coffee. Which fuels you better? Tired of feeling wired, then tired again? If coffee gives you the jitters and tea just doesn't hit hard enough, then you need to hear this. Rhodiola Rosea, nature's ancient energy booster, is going head-to-head with tea and coffee. Which one truly fuels your body and brain? Stick with me till the end, because the answer might change your morning ritual forever. Round 1. Energy boost. Without the crash. Let's talk energy. Coffee hits fast. Within 10 to 15 minutes, you're alert, focused, maybe even vibrating. But here's the problem. What goes up must come down. The crash is real. Tea? More gentle. Thanks to L-theanine, it gives you calm focus. But if you need serious stamina, it might not cut it. Now enter Rhodiola Rosea. This adaptogenic herb helps your body create energy at the cellular level. No crash, no dependency. Just clean, sustained energy. Winner, Rhodiola, because it works with your body, not against it. Round 2. Stress and mood support. Coffee spikes your cortisol. That means more stress, more anxiety, and more irritability, especially if you drink it on an empty stomach. Tea is better, especially green tea. It calms while it energizes. But Rhodiola, it's a stress-fighting machine. It literally trains your body to adapt to stress, mental, physical, and emotional. It balances cortisol, supports adrenal function, and even boosts your mood. Winner, Rhodiola again, especially if anxiety or burnout is your battle. Round 3. Brain performance. Need to think fast and stay sharp? Coffee improves focus short-term, but too much, and you're scattered. Tea helps with steady attention thanks to the L-theanine plus caffeine combo. Rhodiola Rosea shines here. It boosts oxygen to the brain, improves memory, and increases mental clarity, especially under pressure. Soldiers and athletes have used it for decades to stay sharp in intense conditions. Winner, it's close. But Rhodiola edges out again for long-term mental resilience. Round 4. Side effects and dependency. Now let's get honest. Coffee is addictive. Miss a cup and boom. Headaches, irritability, brain fog. Tea is gentler, but drink too much, and it can still affect your sleep or iron levels. Rhodiola? Non-habit forming. Gentle on the body. And when taken right, it doesn't disturb your sleep or digestion. In fact, it may improve them. Winner, Rhodiola Rosea, for clean energy with fewer side effects. So, what's the verdict? If you want a fast kick with some risks, coffee. If you want calm focus and tradition, tea. But if you want balanced energy, less stress, sharper thinking, and no crash, Rhodiola Rosea takes the crown. It's not a hype herb, it's a healing one. And it might just replace your morning brew for good. Have you tried Rhodiola yet? Comment below. Team coffee, team tea, or team Rhodiola? We'd love to hear your experience. And if you're curious how to take Rhodiola the right way, don't miss our next video. How to take Rhodiola Rosea safely. Timing, dosage, and tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's always reaching for that second cup. Until next time, stay calm, stay sharp, stay naturally energized.